How to fix Telegram verification code not received. So if you want to fix the Telegram verification code not received, then what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold on to that Telegram application and go with the app info option. Once you're under the app info, now you need to scroll down and go with storage and cache. Once you're under the storage and cache, you can go with clear cache and also go with the clear storage and then clear your cache. And after that, you can go and check the permissions, and if you've not allowed the permissions of your SMS or the messages application, then you can simply go and allow the permission, because if you've not allowed the permission, then you might not receive the verification code. So allow the permission. Once you allow the permission, you need to go with the notifications, and if you've turned off the notifications, then you will not receive the notifications. So you just need to simply go and turn it on. Once you turn it on, then you will receive the verification code or notifications from Telegram. So simply turn it on. Once you turn that on, now you can go with the next step, which is you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and then go with search. Under search, you can simply search for Telegram. And if you search for Telegram and if you have any updates under your Telegram, you can simply go and update the application. Now, once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. And once you've updated, you can simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, you will be able to receive the verification code. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.